So we'll go to the next task and plotting with styles. Whether you want to use this is going to be solid. Solid means straight line. Dashed means the line will be broken. Dash dot means sequence of dash and dot. So plot Germany against here as a dashed line. So dashed line means I'm going to use dash dash double dash. See, you may have a doubt here. In the previous command we use plot x comma y comma color. In the second command we're using plot x comma y comma line style. So how will MATLAB differentiate that? So depending on what you specify inside this code, MATLAB will understand whether it is going to be a color or a line style. So MATLAB has no confusion. It is very clear. So depending on what argument you are going to give, if you are going to give single characters like B, R, G, it will take it as a color. If you are going to give these three options, it is going to take it as a line style. That is the difference. Simple. So I am going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in task 2. I'm just replacing this k by dash dash. I'm going to run it. See here the difference. It is plotted in dash dash. Okay, so we will submit the answer and see. Answer is also correct. Now, how to combine both? I want to draw the Germany with red color and dots. So combine both, very simple. So I'm going to copy this. See here, plot Germany, here, comma, Germany, comma, red color, and I'm going to use dotted line. So either I can use R colon or colon R. Both the answers are going to be same. Now see, I'm running it. Able to see the difference? You are drawing the Germany graph with red dots. Maybe if I put K, you can see it is will be black dots. Somewhat it will be darker in color. Okay. So MATLAB is very simple unless you need not mug up anything because everything is available in the form of help. So anything and anywhere you get doubt, you go to help, you get the answer, you can change your code and run and get the results very easily. So I'm submitting the answer. My answer is correct. I hope my answer is correct. Is the line dashed? They say the answer is not incorrect. I am sorry. They have asked us to plot me as a black dashed line. So I here they have used red. So black means I should replace R by K. Once I run this and submit, again I think my answer should be correct. The line dashed. So is the line dashed? For dashed, what thing I should use? Double dash, I think. Yes. Yes. Now see, everything is correct. So this, as people say, only when you do mistakes you learn. Here, even if you do mistakes, your MATLAB will alert us saying there is a mistake in the answer. So please check your answer. In that way, you can check your answer. Other types are there. You can use this special characters on your graph. That is also there. So I'm not going to look into this now. So next you have a circle there. So all these other things, whatever there, which are available to enhance the look of your plot. So as we have seen yesterday, so plotting is a very, very important feature of MATLAB because without plotting, you cannot show what you have found in the results. Okay, plotting is very, very important portion of MATLAB. So which command produces the plot shown here? So say me the answer for this. Which command produces the plot? See, they have used no lines here. They have used red color. They have used circular markers. So these are the clue given to you. I'll show you the option. Say me which option is correct. Red circular marker with no lines. Say me which answer should I select here. Some are saying A, some are saying second one. We'll see. I'll select second one. Let's see what happens if it is correct or not. Yes. Why second one is correct? Because R represents red and O represents the circular marker. When I put O hyphen dash, you will have a line between the graphs. But since I don't have a line, there should not be the command referring to line in your plot. So this minus should not come anywhere in your answer. So two options only you have, R0 and R dot. But I want circles, so R0 is going to be my answer. One more quiz we have. Yes. See what thing will get me this graph. It shows green dotted line with no markers. Green dotted line with no markers. Option B. We'll try option B. G dash dash, I think it's a dashed line, right? I think this first one, let's see first one. Yes. See, G colon is your dashed dotted line. G dash dash is your dashed line. So it is made up of dots, right? So that is going to be your answer. So this is how we have learned how to plot symbols, how to use hold on and hold off, how to apply the various properties of plot in our MATLAB. Okay.